Right, as we talked about, we're going back to get some empanadas with the gals over there. Looking forward to it. It was so delicious. We're gonna get it for the road because we're gonna go check out some animals. Now I can't remember the name of that place, but after we get our empanadas, our Starbucks coffee, then we are on the way. Ah, here we go. Hey, good morning. When in Vigan City, ride the Plaza. The Plaza ride.
Plaza is 200 pesos.
200 pesos. It is 200 pesos.
For 1 hour.
And you know, it's a great opportunity to take a little break, catch a breeze from walking. We've been out pretty much for about the last few hours, and this is a nice little break. Right, we took a little break from the lesser ride. We are stopping off souvenir shop where you can buy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It looks pretty cool over here.
3 for 100.
Okay, 3 for 100.
T-shirt bag 150, sir.
Yeah, this is actually pretty cool because we are kind of going away from the city and going more into the residential area it appears. So this, we have local, say, a few sorry stores, and we're actually now heading to the garden.
Oh, they got Safari Hotel here.
Safari Hotel, I see some kambing. Finally made it to the Hiddengarden. Wow, look at this. Dito ba?
Oh, this is the entrance.
Yung may 315 ganyan size, ma'am.
This is actually fantastic. This plant absorbs floating toxic substances on the air. Natural air purifier. Unbelievable. We are now entering the Hiddengarden. Oh, how sweet.
That's like the one in...
Nice. Okay, garden there. Okay. Good afternoon.
For sale dito yung mga halaman, ma'am, sir. Baka gusto yung bumili po.
Is that the bonsai?
Ay, hindi pa po yung mga ito, ma'am. Nandun pa po.
Oh, okay. Oh, these are the succulent plants.
Yes.
Oh, more of the air purifier.
Oh, that's the air purifier plant, the one over there.
Natural air purifier. That is... God, it's pretty over here.
Oh, these are the bonsai.
Oh my God.
Ah, that's pretty.
This hidden garden is beautiful.
Oh, look at
This.
Oh, look at the butterflies.
Oh my God.
Bonsai.
So pretty back here.
Oh, look at this tree. Oh my God, this is so pretty.
Oh, that's a bonsai, right?
Yes, sir. Tamarind. Sampalo.
That's tamarind,
Oh,
really?
sampalo.
Wow.
Tamarind.
Tamarind, sampalo, bonsai. Wow, that's so pretty. Imagine that in your backyard. Look at this one.
Oh, I can imagine that in the backyard.
That's so beautiful. Look at the bonsais. Oh my God.
Oh, these are gorgeous. I love bonsai trees.
These are
Oh, fuck
bamboos.
sale.
How pretty.
This hidden garden is probably one of the best gardens I've been to. Unfortunately, we don't have a whole lot of time because we are here with our Kalesa driver, and we do have to kind of get back. I'm just digging the vibe in the garden, or I mean, it's almost so magical and spiritual just walking through. You really feel that sense of peace only in the Philippines. We got to get back to our Plaza driver. I'll see you when we get back. Hello, hello, hello. Wow. We just got back from the Hiddengarden, and that place was so spectacular. They dropped us back off at the square, and it's been a long day, and I just wanted a little breather, maybe a nice cold beer, maybe some snacks, food, halo, and sure enough, there was a Max's chicken in Vigan. As you know, I ordered me Pilsner. I call it San Miguel, but they call it Pilsner. And something that I was actually going to order, as you know, I love lumpia, I love pancit. However, I saw a chicken salad sandwich, which is also my all-time favorite. And sure enough, that's what I ordered. And it looks delicious. Check this out. And the cool thing about it, I feel like I'm a little... Reminds me when I was a little kid, and my mom used to cut off all the edges. Look how pretty that is. And I can smell the sweetness. Okay, here it goes. Oh my God. Very sweet. There's mayo. I taste a little bit of relish. A little bit of salt, pepper, fresh lettuce. It's very crunchy. It's kind of toasty. This is hella swab. And I don't know if these are homemade potato chips, but they seem to be very crunchy. I'm gonna dip it into this sauce right over here. This seems to be some kind of a mayo, garlicky. There we go. My God. Now it's raw. Now, I gotta wash it down with this. This is a nice top off to a long day. We went to the Empanada place with Sheila and the other gal. A shout out. They were fantastic. Get this, 21st generation owner. That building that we're in has been around since the 15th century. Incredible. They're so sweet. There was some artwork that we seen, and we were just asking about it, and they were so nice, and they gave it to us. How cool is that? All right, now we got a ride coming, and we're gonna go. Salamat. Bye. Okay. The folks over here, better than Daly City. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Thank you. All right. The weather is warm. It is nice. All right. As we were waiting for our ride, I just happened to stumble across something that says Tongsons Royal Bibingka, the home of original Royal Bibingka. We gotta see what this is all about. I love Binka. Check that out. We just walked out of Tongsons Royal Bibingka, and we saw somebody. What is it? Zion from Vigan City, right over here. Want to give a shout out?
From Australia.
Oh, are you from Australia?
Australia.
Oh, how you doing, mate?
Australia.
Where from Australia? Are you? Queensland. Oh, I think shout out to Queensland. Queensland, Australia. Okay. Yeah. All right, mate. Yeah, Queensland. Good morning. Magandang umaga.
And the best tinutungulso, sir. May one. Nadali kasi. Nawa pinili nyo kahapon, sir.
Oh yeah, that's you, the bamboo, yeah.
Available here. Ladies, love this place, yeah. Oh.
baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
I think they have one of the best empanadas around. You know, this place is legit. And you know, I love empanadas, and I know all the hype is all about. So next, what we actually pre-ordered is some fresh pandesal. And the place looks pretty decent, pretty delicious. I'm really excited. You know, usually pandesal is a tinapay, a bread that is eaten in the morning, dipped in coffee. So we actually tried the pandesal in Cavite, which had melongoy. That was delicious. Now we're gonna try some vegan pandesal. And let's go take a look. Let's go take a walk right over here. All right, he must be good. Let's see. They got soda, Coke. I just love the vibe of this bakery. I think they must be cooking it in the back. And the aroma. I mean, if you can be setting it right now, because they're on the corner. They've got a nice breeze. So you've got that flow of the wind and the air just containing the smell of the bread, the pandesal. It's just really delicious. You know, what's even better is that we thought, you know, we pre-ordered it, we thought it was going to be ready. They're actually cooking the pandesal right now. So talk about fresh out of the oven. That is what we're gonna have, fresh out of the oven. Wanna give a shout out? You what? Hey, what is your name? Carl. This is Carl. You know, he works here. He's a baker. He was so kind yesterday. We wanted to pre-order. He said no, and we wanted to pay. But he goes, no, I trust you guys. So when we got in here, guess what? They're baking it. You know, they're baking it. So I'll wait 10-20 minutes for fresh pandesal. But I gotta tell you something, it smells so delicious.